Hi, I'm Ido, and this is a walkthrough of the prototype for InkTank, a mobile and desktop app I designed to guide tattoo seekers through a personalized inking journey without any regrets. So if you're a tattoo lover seeking the next addition to your collection or a first timer aiming for the perfect experience, this is definitely the app for you. For this video, we'll be focusing on the mobile version of the prototype. Also, I'd like to mention that the app is in Spanish language. This is based on a key feedback received from participants during the usability testing. So please don't be alarmed. Okay, let's jump right in. One of the key features of the app is providing inspirations for tattoo designs from the multitudes available. This experience starts right from the homepage as I've simplified the search using the style groups. So clicking on one of the styles, it will take you into the options that are available, which also you could filter to get exactly what you're looking for in case of maybe latest designs and all. And for example, let's say that we're interested in a design like this. We can click on it and you can actually see the design. You can see the information of the artist that came up with the design and other features that are included in it, like chatting or reserving if you're interested, and also comments about the designs from other users of the app. If you click on it, if you want to see a better view of it, you actually come to a page where there are more functions to be done. You can copy, you can share, or you can favorite it. So for example, you've decided to save this design and use it to influence or inspire your own design. You can save it and you can actually view your table where it's been saved. So let's go to the table, and here you can see a bunch of other designs that you've saved. This is in a carousel format. You can actually have the grid, you can have the list format also. And let's just say that assuming you like this design and you would like to edit the design to actually reflect your own personality and style. And that's why we have a feature where we have a design board where you can edit the design to reflect your own style. And once that is done, you can save in the board and you have your design board. So you have something that you can hold on to and take with you for your artist. So assuming that you've found the design that you want and you actually want to talk to an artist. So let's go to the artist. And here you're being prompted to allow access for the app to have access to your location so they can provide you with personalized information and research search based on for artists that within your area. And once that is permitted, you have a list of artists available for you to access. So let's see more about Mitch. Here with Mitch, you have his details, his information, his styles that he's familiar with, and also some of his work. And with this, you can actually go ahead and book this book have a look at his calendar and book preferred time for you. And with this, if assuming we've picked 10, we can reserve this and your booking is confirmed. Furthermore, if it's not convenient for you, you can actually reschedule if you want, or you can even set a reminder for your appointment, which is this. And if you want to cancel, that can be easily cancelled if you want to. So this is a brief walkthrough, and I guess that's it. If you have any feedback or questions, feel free to drop a line in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.